How to install the official build of CAF Extended based on Android 12 on the Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official build of CAF Extended based on Android 12 on the Poco F3 or the Xiaomi Mi 11X. Now, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have a custom recovery installed. How do you unlock the bootloader? How do you install a custom recovery on your Poco F3 or the Mi 11X? Videos for those can be found in the description of the video. Next thing you need to make sure is that your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device, because we are going to perform a format data and you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove all our accounts and security measures. So if you're running MIUI, you will go into settings and then you will go into password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, go back, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Those of you who are running custom ROMs based on AOSP, you can go into settings, security, again same process, remove your fingerprint, face unlock pin, and then you can go into settings, passwords and accounts and remove your Google accounts. Now once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We're doing this because we are going from one ROM to another and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. Now, what are the files which we need? All the files which you need are linked in the description of the video, and you need two files. The first of all, you need the ROM itself. So this here is the official build of CAF Extended based on Android 12 for the Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. Do note that Google Apps are baked in, so you do not have to flash Google Apps explicitly. Next up, you need the firmware file for your variant of the Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. Now, do note if you're coming from stock MIUI, and by that I mean stock MIUI, not your custom ROMs based on MIUI like Xiaomi EU or MMX, then you can skip installing the firmware part. But again, there is no harm in flashing the firmware one more time for your specific variant of the Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. Next thing we need to do is we need to boot our device into a custom recovery. First of all, turn off your device. Once the device is turned off, press and hold power and volume up together until you see the Poco logo or the Mi logo. Once you see the Poco logo or the Mi logo, keep volume up pressed and you can let go of the power button. This is going to ensure that we boot into our custom recovery, which in this case is TeamWin or TWRP. First of all, we are going to go into wipe, advanced wipe here and select Dalvik and then swipe to confirm flash. Once that is done, tap on the home button, go into install. Now this here is our internal storage. You need to navigate to the folder where you have the files which we have downloaded to install CAF Extended on the Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. In case you downloaded the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. If you transfer them manually from your computer, you would know the location. Then the first file which we need to select is the firmware. So here it is. I will select the firmware file, and while flashing the firmware, you do not have to check inject TWRP after install. All you need to do is swipe to confirm flash. Now once the firmware file has flashed successfully, the next thing we are going to do is tap on the home button, go into install one more time. By default, we will be in the previous folder where we have all the files. Next up, select the ROM itself, and this here is CAF Extended official build, and this time select inject TWRP after install and then swipe to confirm flash, and there it is. You can see that the ROM is being flashed to the inactive slot on our Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. Now the flashing process will take some time, so you have to be patient. Now once the file has flashed successfully, we can scroll up, make sure there were no errors. So here it is, ROM is being flashed, everything was done. Next up, the text in red can be ignored and you have image flash completed. This means that TWRP was injected once again. Next up, tap on the home button, go into reboot and here and select recovery. This will ensure that we boot back into our custom recovery, which in this case is TWRP. Now back into TWRP, we need to perform a format data. So you will go into wipe, and of course the touch drivers do take some time to load up. So go into wipe, format data, type in yes, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Do note that format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So make sure you do have a backup of all those things, and of course the text in red can be ignored. Format data does take some time, so you have to be patient. There it is, it was finished successfully. Again, the failed to mount part can be ignored, and at this point all you need to do is reboot into system. And there it is, we do have the pretty cool looking CAF extended boot animation on our Poco F3 or the Mi 11X, and the first boot up might take some time, so you have to be patient. And there it is, we are on the setup screen. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. And here it is, we are on the home screen. Let us go into settings, and then we can go into about phone. And herein, if I tap on the Android version, bam, here it is, official build of CAF extended based on Android 12, installed successfully on the Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.